Photogrammetry in land surveying offers a powerful combination of accuracy, efficiency, and detail. Using high-resolution imagery, surveyors can generate precise 3D models, topographic maps, and orthomosaics, all without the need for extensive ground access. This technology significantly reduces time spent in the field, enhances safety by minimizing work in hazardous areas, and delivers fast, cost-effective results. BridgeSight transforms landscapes into precision data through photogrammetry. With drone-captured imagery and advanced modeling, we convert terrain into 3D digital environments. From mountains to valleys, every detail is captured with accuracy, empowering engineers, planners, and developers with the insights they need. Our road surveys generate complete 3D corridor models. These models provide accurate elevation, slope, and width data critical for design, expansion, and maintenance. Land Site Survey delivers detailed topographic mapping for plots, farmland, and development zones. Our models represent terrain features, contour lines, and surface elevation with centimeter-level precision. In difficult terrain like zipline survey, we capture linear features with unmatched continuity and accuracy. Even the most challenging environments, like cascading waterfalls, are mapped with accuracy using our adaptive aerial techniques. Each flight is carefully planned for precision, safety, and efficiency.
Home point updated.
Our mapping tools generate data for flight mapping where we give settings like level of overlap, flight height, duration, covering areas and more to get the required results in photogrammetry. Contour extraction reveals every elevation break and slope, a key input for drainage, grading, and site planning. Surveys at high altitude and remote locations with ease, delivering clear elevation and terrain data in any condition. In the Himalayas, we capture river systems and falls with precision, helping manage water flow and preserve natural beauty. Our photogrammetry process converts field data into clean, readable topographic maps for professional use. We ensure centimeter-level accuracy in all our surveys through ground control and RTK correction. From drone to design, we align aerial maps with CAD drawings for a true match between plan and real-world terrain. Our landslide assessments detect ground movement and measure soil displacement for safety planning and geotechnical analysis. From the photogrammetry model, we can measure the model at any point and anywhere. This is the beauty of photogrammetry. Once it is done, no need to do resurvey. Remember us, Dholashri Engineering Services, for professional photogrammetry and engineering solutions. Call us at 9866011987, 9846781832. Photogrammetry and mapping with precision. Pokhara, Nepal.